Hey there, market mavens! Welcome back to Finance Flowchart, your ultimate destination for decoding the hottest stock market trends. Today, we're diving deep into the phenomenon that's got investors buzzing: Oracle stock. On September 9th, 2025, Oracle unleashed their Q1 fiscal 2026 earnings, and the market exploded. Shares skyrocketed over 25% in after-hours trading, tacking on nearly $190 billion to their market value in a single night. That's the kind of move that screams opportunity. In the next few minutes, we'll unpack the jaw-dropping numbers, the AI-driven trends, and what this means for your portfolio. Buckle up and let's flow into the action. Why is Oracle stealing the spotlight? As of today, Oracle stock is trading at $241.51 per share, boasting a market cap of $678,360,000,000. That's after a stellar 45.46% surge year to date, leaving the S&P 500's roughly 11% gain in the dust. Over the past 52 weeks, ORCL has climbed from a low of $118.86 to a high of $260.87, with a PE ratio of 55.52, reflecting sky-high growth expectations. This isn't just a stock rally, it's a signal that Oracle is rewriting its story in the tech world. Let's break down the earnings that ignited this firestorm. Oracle reported Q1 fiscal 2026 revenues of $14.9 billion, up 12% year over year, though it slightly missed the $15.04 billion Wall Street expected. Non-GAAP earnings per share hit $1.47, bang on target. But the real headline grabber, their remaining performance obligations, RPO, the future revenue already locked in, blasted to $455 billion, a mind-blowing 359% jump from last year. That's nearly $500 billion in the bag. Oracle's CEO, Safra Catz, called it a brilliant quarter, and investors are clearly on board. The engine behind this surge is Oracle's cloud business, especially Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. They're projecting OCI revenue to grow 77% this fiscal year to $18 billion, with a long-term target of $144 billion by fiscal 2030. In Q1, OCI revenues soared 55% to $3.3 billion, while total cloud revenues, including SaaS, hit $7.2 billion, up 28%. The secret sauce? AI. Oracle's partnerships with heavyweights like Amazon, Alphabet, and Microsoft are paying off big time. Multi-cloud database revenue from these giants grew an insane 1,529% in Q1. Yes, you heard that right. Oracle's tech is now running inside its competitors' data centers, a masterstroke in the multi-cloud era. To put this in context, let's rewind to Q4 fiscal 2025, reported in June 2025. Total revenues were $15.9 billion, up 11%, with cloud revenues at $6.7 billion, up 27%. OCI grew 52% to $3 billion, and SaaS applications like Fusion Cloud ERP and NetSuite rose 22% and 18%, respectively. RPO was $138 billion, up 41%. Solid, but the leap to $455 billion in Q1 26 is a whole new level of acceleration. Oracle's not just growing, it's redefining the cloud game. The buzz isn't just in the numbers. Social media platforms are lighting up with chatter about Oracle's 31% stock pop and massive cloud orders. Analysts are raising price targets, with firms like Cantor Fitzgerald setting a $400 target and D.A. Davidson at $300. Bloomberg's calling Oracle a cloud giant in the making, fueled by its OpenAI partnership and AI infrastructure push. Oracle's involvement in the Stargate project, a $500 billion AI infrastructure initiative with OpenAI and SoftBank, including the Abilene, Texas facility equipped with NVIDIA GB200 racks, is positioning them as a backbone for AI workloads. So, is Oracle a buy right now? With AI reshaping industries from healthcare to finance, Oracle's embedded AI agents in their SaaS suite and massive $21 billion capital expenditure in fiscal 2025 make them a serious player. Their Stargate partnership with OpenAI is a centerpiece, but they're not stopping there. A new Oracle AI database service set to launch at Oracle AI World will let customers use models like xAI's Grok or Google's Gemini on their data. Risks? Sure, competition from AWS and Azure is fierce, and Oracle's $25 billion plus CapEx in 2026 could strain cash flows. But their multi-cloud strategy and 45.46% YTD gain show the market's betting big on their AI-driven future. Looking forward, Oracle's forecasting cloud infrastructure growth to exceed 70% in fiscal 2026, with total revenues expected to top $67 billion, a 16% jump. That's a trajectory that could push the stock even higher. Investors, this is one to watch, but always dig into the details yourself. Markets love to throw curveballs. That's the full scoop on why Oracle stock is the talk of the town today. If this breakdown got your financial gears turning, smash that like button, subscribe to Finance Flowchart for more market deep dives, and drop a comment. Can Oracle hit $300 by year end? Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video on the hottest market trends. Thanks for joining me. Let's keep the finance flowing. Catch you next time.